Hey guys, how are you doing? Today I've got an interesting video. So I had a Vernee Thor Plus and it happened to break. Like it would boot, it won't boot up. But the company was nice enough to send me a new one. So this is the new Vernee Thor Plus and this is the one that broke. So I thought I would open it up and because I really wanted to see how the battery looked like, and this is the battery right here. If you don't believe me, it fits right in. So this is the battery I took out, and this thing was glued shut. Like as you can see, the glue is still here and it's still really strong. So I always wondered if this battery really was 6200 milliamp hours. So just by holding it, you can really see that. I mean, it is right, but until it says right over here, yeah, it says 5800 milliamp hours. So they lied about the capacity. They advertised it as a 6200 milliamp hours, and it's 5800. Now, don't get me wrong, this is still a big battery. They just lied about the size. And if you ask me, it doesn't really bother me at all. And like I knew from the beginning, like it couldn't be 6200. That's really a lot. But the battery life is still really long. It lasts 14 hours of screen on time, and that's pretty insane actually. So, and I thought it was gonna be even lower. I thought it was gonna be 5000 milliamp hours, but no, it's still 5800. Only 400 less than what was advertised. So if you're like saying should I still buy this phone, yes. I'm even gonna make a short demo. I mean, like huge battery and an AMOLED display, and not to mention the fingerprint scanner is really quick. So for the price, this is a really good phone. I mean, it's not the fastest, obviously, but I mean, it's gonna get the job done. Like, I've been using this for 2 days straight, and this also for 2 days, so in a total of 4 days, and this one is really good. I really like it. The screen is good, speaker quality is mediocre, but I mean, it's still a good phone, so just because they lied about the capacity doesn't mean it's a bad phone. I think they only lied for like marketing purposes only, but I would still recommend this phone. If you're low on cash, then and need good battery life, a good screen, then yeah, this is what you need to do. This is a really good phone, despite them lying. So that's all I wanted to say. I'm gonna see you in the next video, guys. See you later.